Assalamu alaikum. PVC pipe, saddle, bend, elbow, coupling, T, reducer, elbow reducer, T reducer, main junction box, two-way junction box, three-way junction box, four-way junction box, angle junction box, and shallow junction box, female bush adapter, flexible pipe, concealed switch panel box 3x3, concealed switch panel box 6x3, open switch panel box 3x3, open switch panel box 6x3, gang box, switch box 4x4, switch box 4x7, switch box 8x10, single and two pole breaker box, main breaker box, ceiling fan box, down light box, cable duct, duct clip, duct angles. Thanks for watching.